Is it really necessary to hire an attorney to review a Mexican property transaction? No, absolutely not. An experienced closing agent can do the job for you. The reason? Every transfer of a Mexican property must, by law, be made before a Mexican notary public. The Mexican notary public is required to have a degree in law. He must have a minimum of 5 years of legal practice, pass a rigorous examination, and then be appointed by the governor of the state in which he or she resides. The notary is legally responsible for the review of the prior deed and the tax and lien certificates. The notary must draft the new deed, calculate the taxes due, and pay them. Also, very important, the notary is accountable for his or her actions through the state and national notary associations. It is commonly believed that an attorney, in addition to a notary public, is required when buying property in Mexico. This is not necessarily the case. In fact, it may make more sense to seek out a closing agent to handle the many details of the transfer, which include the following: ordering and reviewing the title investigation, obtaining certificates and trust permits, interfacing with the buyer and seller, overseeing the payment of funds for services and expenses, reviewing the deed to be sure names and addresses are complete, being sure it is registered in the public registry of property, making sure it is delivered to the buyer, providing tax receipts to the seller, and more. When these matters are left to the notary public to handle, they may not all get done, or get done slowly due to the workload of most notaries. When these matters are handed to another attorney to perform, they may be sandwiched in between criminal complaints, court appearances, and other more remunerative activities. A good closing agent can be an attorney with expertise in title transfers, or it can be a company with experienced closing officers and attorneys on its staff for consultation in the event there are title issues. More and more, there are closing agents throughout Mexico. They are specialists in titles and transfers. The settlement company has 20 years of experience in closing real estate transactions in Mexico. It supervises title transfers all over Mexico through its virtual closing program. For more information, please check us out at www.settlement-co.com or contact us at info@settlement-co.com. We look forward to having the opportunity to help you on your Mexico property transaction. Thank you.